Hello, Miss Brenda Sparsa. I am a maniac serial killer. I was 65 years old since I started all this. I like to test my victims. I try not to will them properly so as not to leave evidence of which I blame myself. Sorry. I usually appear in all my 8 movies. I rarely appear in small flashbacks. The reason why I come out was to inform my victims why they are trapped and what they have to do to fulfill the game and get freedom. But they do not complete in the indicated time. They automatic the behavior of my victims is something and transits exasperating when they were trapped. They lost their sanity and almost ignored my instructions. But since they had no other option to live, they followed the instructions to the letter. Well, when they have all my respect and support to be helpers. What other notice about me if fear behind in my traps fall frustrated. Each reacts in my desperate way. As a child and as a young man, I was not someone. Sorry. I was someone to have should a disturbing me. But when I fell in love, I had founded a hospital together with my wife and with the news of expecting a child. My motto was always appreciate your life until there was one night that I found out that my wife lost her baby because of a thirst for a drug addict. When I lost my son, who was going to be killed, Gideon. I lost my strength and began to be different. Sometime later, I was diagnosed with a brain tumor. That was for me as if they stabbed a knife behind my back. It was there when I decided to commit suicide. What? Yes. I decided to commit suicide. I feel an break, but did not die. When I feel alive, I realized that I had a metal bar in my stomach. When I removed it from my baby and it from my body, my body, I understood that life was giving me a second chance. It was there that I wanted to deal with my victims. It would be good if you could see the rest of my story. Though my movies. Oh, and I forgot my name is John Kramer. But like my big victims, we could play the game. I removed a part of their body, for me a puzzle. So all the officers nicknamed me JigSaw. Have a nice night. Teacher, Miss Brenda. Hopefully my fanatic student gets a good overrate qualificate. Good night. Goodbye.